Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we just came back from vacation. Well needed vacation. Family, wife and kid went down to Jamaica. Met my family. Spent 2 weeks at a wedding in Negril. That was fun. Met friends. It was a good trip. It was a good trip. I loved every second of it. So I also want to say thank you guys for waiting patiently. I just want to say make sure you drop a like on the video. It's free, absolutely free to go down there and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so we can support the thing, push it out to the world. Before we get into the Manchester United stories that we walked past this week or 2 weeks, um, Jamaica will be playing tomorrow. Today actually, shit. Jamaica will be playing today, and I just had the notification, so I'm going to watch that game. Telling my views on it after the game, but before that, let's get into what we have for tomorrow. Manchester United plays Aston Villa again, this time in the FA Cup. Don't tell me what the game that they lost over the weekend was just shit game. Arsenal still winning. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but Arsenal still winning. So good kudos to Arsenal on that. Tottenham lost. Newcastle running flying high. Man City won. By the hook of the crook, they won. So you have to give them compliments on that. Chelsea lost to Arsenal, as usual. Chelsea just fucked up. But Manchester United need to get back on the winning road. We can win the FA Cup game tomorrow. It's not that big of a deal to me. I'm more focused on the league. A lot of people want to win a trophy, but I'm more focused on the league. So regardless of the results tomorrow, I want to see a good performance. Uh, but yeah, people, I'm back. Nice vacation. Finally, meet my family for the first time since the accident last year. It was good to see my mom, my sisters, my nieces, nephews, my brother. Came over to see me as well. So yeah, it was a good trip. Very good trip. I'm looking forward to seeing, you know, this year. Looking forward to see the new year as well. Christmas is gonna be fun as well with my family over here. So again, thank you guys for the support. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there if you're brand new. You understand? You understand? Subscribe down there for brand new people. Um, Manchester United, Manchester United, Manchester United. Ten Hag's team. I know Anthony's injured. Sancho is injured. Marshall just got back into the team, trying to work him way into the team. But the team that he selected, absolute, it's just messed up. Like Van de Beek is not from Manchester United anymore. He's not. He cannot dribble past someone. He only has a one pass, and that's it. If the ball comes to him, he's playing it right back. He can't turn, dribble past someone, or try create something from out of nothing. This is what Bruno brings into Manchester United, and what Van de Beek absolutely lacks. Yes, he has good movements in between the lines, but that's it, fam. You can't present that to Manchester United and expect them to be good. We need creativity. And Bruno's missing in that game. Absolutely missing. So are you monks out there talking about, oh, you need to bench Bruno because he's missing, missing passes or losing the ball all the time. What does Bruno bring to Manchester United? Everything. Everything. And Ronaldo. Ronaldo is not done. It's just that he cannot play with Eric Ten Hag's team because Eric Ten Hag requires pressing from front, people. Eric Ten Hag requires you to press from front. First presser, Ronaldo up front, and he's not a pressing footballer. He might give you 5 minutes and that's it, and he's walking out the rest of the time. I've seen Ronaldo playing Aston Villa and asking people to press, asking and Rashford to go press. You go press, and then make Rashford press you too. But he's not a presser because he can't run anymore, fam. He's want to sit there pass the ball to him feet, make him score. And because of that, he's not playing for Manchester United as well as he should. I think it's time for him to go, fam. I think it's very much time for him to go. It's just it. That's it. It's just that's just it. I think it's time for him to go. Definitely time for him to go. Oh boy. I'm looking forward to the game tomorrow. The World Cup is coming up. I'll make a video about the World Cup and why I think we'll win the World Cup. Dark horses of the World Cup, all that good stuff. So look out for that video as well. Anyway, people, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there if you're brand new. Best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.